Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. You already know to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. So what are you waiting on, okay? Let's get that done. Make sure that notification bell is checked. We're going to just go straight through a lot of things that is happening today. One is we want to make sure that you have Stock Up You. We're going to get back into that in a minute, but first, this is brought to you by Moomoo. Moomoo now, instead of 7 fractional shares, if you use my link below, you get an additional 3. All right, you get an additional 3. Next week, we're going to start going into the app a little bit more. Let's get right into it. At the time of filming this, which is about 50 minutes before the market closed, as we could see, the Dow is doing pretty good. S&P, NASDAQ, not so much. I would still call it a good day for Friday as we go and see what's going on. Let's look at this. Stock rally tumbles as sentiment slide to 6-month low. So it went down and then it kind of regained a little bit. So what is the sentiment? What's going on? Let's go right into this. Let's see here. The Dow, we went through that. Okay, here we go. The latest University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey released today revealed a 13% drop in overall sentiment during the month of May, the merry, merry month of May. You know, selling may go away that May. All right, the index reading for the month came in at 67.4, its lowest level in 6 months, and well below economists' expectations of 76.2. The drop in sentiment came as investors debate the future of interest rate cuts amid recent signs of a cooling labor market. Okay, so that's what's going on. The sentiment is a gauge, and it's a lagging gauge to see where we are, what we think. Okay, and so you guys, I just believe that if we do get a interest rate reduction, I don't see the first one coming before September. Of course, anything could happen. So there's a debate between Josh and I whether it would whether it would immediately be a good or a bad sign for the stock market when the Fed starts reducing rates. Based on post data, we both have points. I think that this time is a little different. I think that this time the market will be mostly bullish when the Fed starts reducing interest rates and sooner. Okay, so we kind of debated that on the live last night. Both had good points, so I would say just watch it for yourself. All right, let's keep it going. Let's look at this. So in the Patreon this morning, I posted a put on this Novavax. Novavax was up like 130%. It just skyrocketed. All right. So let's look at the week. So 79%, but it skyrocketed this morning. Let's look at this. Let's try this. So from yesterday to the high, 135% is what we got, which was insane. For me, that's a sign to what? Short. You guys know what I think. The way I psychology trade, if it ran up too much too quick, I think I went ahead and did a short. All right, which I am going to be getting out. Why am I going to be getting out of this position soon as I finish this? Because I believe that they have earnings today. Now, here's what happened. Novavax shares spike over 100%, on this deal. All right, this deal for let's see, let's pull up a good one here. Let's go here. Novavax shares spike over 100% on Sanofi, I guess. Deal to commercialize COVID vaccine development combination shots. So they got this contract and it just soared up. The question is, was it too much too quick? Now, I'm going to show you guys the play that I got into this morning, and I posted in the Patreon. Okay, so as you could see here, this was earlier today, and it has dropped more, which means that I am in profit more. Now, I was down a bit. I lost about $100. So I just want to be straight with you guys. I lost about $100 because I wasn't able to monitor the trade. But one of the reasons I'm making this video is when you have to do things like I had to go get my hair cut, I just had to do normal people thing rather than sitting at this desk, then you use your stop losses, okay? If I was able to monitor it more closely, I would have did a better job. But I lost about 100, but now it's up way more than this. So I'm up around 500. I know I'm up well over $500 now because of the price of this stock now as it cooled off. See, so as we could see, even right now it's down, and as you could see, I had puts a few days out. I had one to $10 and one to $9.50, and as you could see, it is down way further. Okay. And so that means that my earnings have went up. So I'm well over $500 in profit, probably closer to $550, which is more than the price of Stock Up You. Let me just take 30 seconds and deal with this. Listen, you learn how to do this where? I don't have it here, but I do my psychology trading where I show you how I do these momentum options. Okay. And if you're brand new and you don't know options, Keenan is going to show you how to do options for a beginner. And then Josh is going to help you with charting for beginners, right? And even if you have been trading and losing, I show you how to protect yourself using the stop losses. That's all in the course. Let's keep it going. Okay, so here is one of the things that I'm going to look up right now on Novavac, because I believe, yes, they do. They have earnings today, right? You guys see that, right? Earnings today, right? So let's see. Now, this deal just came through, right? So this is what I'm thinking. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. So I'm not going to hold the play on this. You can hold the play if you want to. But if this contract just happened and they're going to do earnings from last quarter, is earnings from last quarter going to encompass this contract? We'll see. But I will tell you, I'm out. I'm taking my money and I'm running. I'm not running that risk. Now, you may run that risk and maybe you'll make some money. I hope you do. Okay. Let's keep it going. Look, VanEck, look at this. So VanEck launches a new meme coin index to track the meme coin tokens, right? I talked about this on my Instagram. I want you guys to make sure you follow it, my Instagram. Here are some of the meme coins that is in the index. You got Doge, Sheeb, Pepe, Dog with Hat, Floki, and Bunk. That is all of the meme coins that is in VanEck's new meme coin index. So a meme coin ETF. I said on my Instagram that, VanEck is may calls a Van Wreck for some people that are only gambling with meme coins as we talk about crypto now. Let's just take a quick look. I'll come back to that. As we can see, it's a lot of red for the day, but for the hour, you see mostly green. Okay, so down for the day. Let's look at what's happening. Bitcoin is down to 60. Look at that. Bitcoin is down 2% for the day, and that's a lot. So some people will call it a crash. It's not a crash. It's just a Friday with crypto. All right. Crypto moves have big moves down and big moves up. Now, if you're just in meme coins and this is like the is like the holy grail for you, I'm going to caution you, because when I travel and I talk to people about crypto, no one's asking about Bitcoin. They're not asking about Solana. They're not asking about Ethereum. None of the layer ones and none of the altcoins are definitely not Bitcoin. All they want to know is, hey, how about that Doji coin, Floki, Pepe? I want some of that Pepe coin, and that's all. It's just like last cycle, okay? And that's fine. I have money in those coins, but most of my money are in the layer ones. Most of my money are in the altcoins and Bitcoin. And yes, I have some money in those, but I only buy them when they're beat down. So I want you guys to understand that this Van Eck could be good if you buy it at the low. But if you buy it at the top and YOLO all in, then you will not win. Okay? So my thing is I'm taking profits and taking profits often this year. I'm doing it with the stock market. And as I've been sharing with you guys, I've been swing trading crypto. And I will tell you, last cycle I didn't. Last cycle I didn't swing. I did swing, but not as much as I'm swinging this time. So if you really want to learn how to swing trade crypto, then make sure you take in this whole course. It all comes together, but I'm telling you, if you've been swing trading crypto or have learned how to swing trade crypto and you've taken a course, leave me a coffee cup. Just leave a coffee cup, okay? All right, good people, I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm sorry if I seemed a little scattered. This is one of those, this is that tough weekend again, Mother's Day. So it's gonna be good though, right? We're gonna celebrate the mothers that are here, and we're gonna celebrate the mothers that are going on to be with their maker, including my beloved mother. Okay, good people, I love you guys. Pray for me as I pray for you. I hope you have a good weekend. I'll see if I'll upload something this weekend. Okay, live, love, laugh, and learn.